Hello, fourth graders. Today we're going to learn about matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. One of the differences between solids, liquids, and gases is how they hold their shape. Solids have their own shape, like this ball. Liquids take the shape of the container that holds the liquid. And gas does not have a shape of its own. So today's passage says states of matter. Everything we can see and touch is made of matter. Rocks are made of matter. Water and air are matter. Matter can take different forms. The water we swim in is liquid form. Liquids take the shape of whatever container they are in. Water in a round swimming pool takes the shape of the round pool. If it rains too much, water may spill over. If we change the temperature of water, we can also change its state. In the winter, we can skate on ice. Ice is water frozen into a solid state. Solids can keep their size and shape, even when they are moved from one location to another. Some solids, like ice, can change into another form of matter when they are heated. Water can also take the form of a gas. When we boil water to make hot cocoa or tea, the steam that rises from the kettle is a gas. We can see the steam in the air. Be careful not to reach out and touch it. Steam can leave a nasty burn. A simple experiment. Would you like to see the three states of matter? Try this. Start with an ice cube. Ice is a solid. Put the ice cube in a pan for an hour. The ice cube will melt into a liquid form. Ask an adult to help you boil the water on the stove. Watch as the liquid evaporates, turning into a gas. Steam is a gas. When steam cools, it can turn back into water. States of matter. What are the three states of matter discussed in this passage? So remember, when we are answering our questions, we want to start by the words that are in the question. So when it says, what are the three states of matter discussed in this passage? Our first words in the answer are right here for us. The three states of matter discussed in this passage are. So make sure when you start writing, you capitalize the T and the, and you start to write the, and then you continue, discussed in this passage are, and then you need to answer, what are those three states? And to remember those three states, we have solid, liquid, and gas. Those are the three states of matter. On to question 2. Use what you know and information from this passage to name at least 3 examples of matter in a liquid state. So, since I'm home, it's easy for me to grab some items that are liquid. This is pineapple juice. It can be made, it can make different yummy things, but you can also drink it. So, pineapple juice, it's yummy and sweet. Okay, another thing that we can drink, which is a liquid, and I hope you're drinking a lot of it, is water. Those are some examples of liquids. Maybe you can come up with one more for yourself. And we'll start the sentence with 3 examples of matter in a liquid state are maybe pineapple juice, water, and you get to be creative and tell what's your favorite liquid. And then question 3 says, Tom said a solid takes the shape of its container. Do you agree with Tom? Explain your answer. So remember, we have a ball. It has its own shape. Solid has its own shape. Here's another example of a solid. It's just a glass, right? It's its own shape. So you might start with, I agree with Tom, or I do not agree with Tom because not. I do not agree with Tom because. And then you can cite this poster. I do not agree with Tom because solids have their own shape. Excellent, boys and girls. I hope you're having fun at home. Thank you for working so hard on your packet. Your teachers are very proud of you, and we can't wait to see you again. Bye.